So we also extend the scope to dealing with the substantive question of the strained relationship between governors and their deputies, Mr. Speaker. Because it's just after a short while, Mr. Speaker, from very many counties we are getting a strained relationship between governors and their own deputies, Mr. Speaker. So we need to speak, and we need to speak as the people who have been tasked by Article 96 of our Constitution, sub-Article 1, taking care of the interests of the counties, Mr. Speaker. A county can never be stable if the deputy and his own, and if the governor and his deputy are not working in harmony. I thank you very much for the opportunity. I have a lot of regard for the committee. I have a lot of, I believe that they will be able to do justice to this petition so that we shall be able to look at it. Thank you very much.
Senator Muma.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I rise to support this motion and the decision being proposed that the matter be heard in committee. Mr. Speaker, I happen to be one of the members that has been proposed to be on the committee, and Mr. Speaker, I wish to indicate that should the House decide that we go as proposed in the motion, that I will be among those who will urge the committee to do its work in a professional way. Mr. Speaker, not just for the county of Siaya,